Hi folks, how are you today? I'm going to do an unboxing on the NXR 3 burner portable barbecue. This one puts out 24,000 BTU, so 8,000 per burner. Going to open it up. Now, the people at NXR, I've looked them up and they make some pretty high-end kitchen things, like ranges and stoves and stuff like that. So that was one of the reasons I selected them. The other reason was that it's got a 3 burner. And that's what I was looking for, because three burner gives you much more things that you can do with it. Like you can burn, you can cook roasts and that kind of stuff with a 3 burner. So that's the one of the reasons. Looked around, got this one from Costco. It was a good price. Normally $2.79. Costco has it for $1.79. So they have an instruction book with a great big, if you have a problem, do not return this grill to the place of purchase. In other words, you got to send it back to NXR. Lots of styrofoam. Let's see. Probably a good idea to hold on to your box and everything for a bit in case you do run into some unforeseen problems. I've never ever had a problem with a barbecue. The only problem I've ever had with a barbecue is when it's 40 below and you're trying to barbecue and it won't light, but all right, let's see what's going on here. So they said this is fully assembled and ready to go right off the bat. So let's see if we can get it out of the box here. Excuse my back. I'm gonna I think this thing is pretty well built because it's pretty solid. As in, fairly heavy. They said it's packed pretty good. There we go. All right. We'll get rid of the box. And so stainless steel should be easy to keep clean and clean up. All right. More wrapping. More wrapping. There you go. So stainless steel. Burners look like they're nice. The knobs are nice and solid. So that would be, you could hook that up to a 20-pound bottle, no problem. There is a latch on the side to hold that lid down, both sides. And up you go. So inside, you have the grill. Let's see if we get that off of there. There you go. More wrapping. There you go. Hey, while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and a like if you like this video, and notifications if you want to see more videos. Basically, my wife and I are setting up to go on the road, and so we're downsizing in some ways, but we don't want to give up all our amenities. So the grill is it's stainless steel, nice and thick, so it won't wear out fairly quickly. And inside we have some other stuff here, and we've got something wrapped around one of the burners. I'll give you a shot of this burner here in a sec here. So this is what it looks like on the inside. 3 burners. Those burners go the whole width of the barbecue. Like I said, the knobs look substantial. They got nice easy grips on them. And I think they're self-lighters, which is cool. Very nice. And stainless steel is a handsome looking unit. There you go. I'll clean that up afterwards. And I think that what that is a tether to your bottle. Oh, okay. So that goes to the inside, and there you go. So I'm assuming these are the heat deflectors in here. Alrighty. Not sure what this is. Oh, there's legs on this. Nice. Let's get them legs up here. There you go. That lifts it up. Gets away from the tabletop. Still haven't figured out where this goes. I guess I could always look at the instructions. Uh-huh. It's the grease catcher. There you go, and that goes underneath there. So we have heat shields. There you go. Luckily, they only fit one way, which means the square is on the back. There's a little ledge there for them. Had this style of burner before. It's very, very nice to have. There you go. And grill in place. And away we go. Fully assembled, ready to rock. All I have to do is go and find something to eat. To cook so I can eat it. But fully assembled. Like I said, as far as I know, these are self-lighters. Nice looking unit. And as I noticed before, there's these latches here to lock down the lid when you're moving it. Well, we were planning on having steak tonight, so guess we get to try it out. Thank you.